Hey there friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you turn on 120Hz refresh rate on your Samsung Galaxy phone to make it smooth. So let's begin. First of all, take your phone, go to settings. Once you're in the main settings, scroll down slowly. You can find display option, open them. After that, scroll down again. This time you can locate the motion smoothness or similar name. Simply tap to open the page. Here you can basically see two options. Adaptive standard. Maybe your phone is selected standard. This means this is selected 60 Hz refresh rate. But if you decide to, you can activate 120 Hz refresh rate your phone. Simply this time you can select adaptive. Then confirm by tapping the apply button at the very bottom. And you have successfully done. That is how you can easily turn on 120 Hz refresh rate your phone. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video. Possible to subscribe my new channel. Take care guys.